Welcome to another video walk around. Today we're going to be looking at the new Toyota CHR Limited. Now this is a 5-passenger crossover in blue Eclipse, driving on 18-inch wheels. And some of the great exterior features on the CHR includes fold-away side mirrors, fog lights, a smart key system, and a backup camera. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It has our lock and unlock button. Like I mentioned, the CHR does have a smart key system, so we can press these two lines to lock the vehicle, and to unlock it's as easy as putting around inside the door handle. You do get a blind spot monitoring system inside the side mirror. Up top, you have your powered windows, locks, and mirrors with some storage on the bottom. Inside, the CHR comes equipped with black leather seating. And next to the door, you will find your heated steering wheel. As always, we're going to take a look at the steering wheel features first. Now, starting on the left side, you have your audio controls, along with your hands-free calling and your voice recognition system. On the right side, you have this cluster right here. This allows you to cycle through your multi-information display. Taking a look back on the steering wheel, on the right side, you'll find your Toyota safety sense with lane departure alert and dynamic radar cruise control. You have your cruise control speed settings right behind the steering wheel there. Continuing on to our entertainment display. Right now we are on the home screen. On the left side, it will display any device that's connected as well as any audio that's playing. On the right side, you have your trip information, which you can press on the screen. And here you can also look at your history as well. Now if we go into audio, you have your standard AM and FM options. You also have a choice between USB and Bluetooth. Now if we go into menu, there you have your projection icon for your Apple CarPlay. Moving down to our climate control system, it is a dual zone, so the temperatures can be adjusted on both sides. On the left and right side, you'll find your driver and passenger heated seats. You also have your eco mode on the top right corner. Taking a quick look inside the back, there's a little cup holder in the door. We are continuing with the black leather seating. Behind the front passenger and driver seats, you get some extra storage compartments. And the rear seats do fold down. There's a little button here, we can give that a press. Seats will fold, giving you access to your cargo. Taking a last look at our Toyota CHR, once again, some of those great interior features includes your heated seats, backup camera, heated steering wheel, and Bluetooth. There's still a lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take a void test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.